Alcacid and Mr. Gary Valenciano!
Darren Espanto!
Thank you po. Of course, Kuya Eric, Tito Ogs, Tito Gary, maraming salamat po for being part of my 10th anniversary concert. Grabe po. Kayo po talaga ilan sa mga taong bata pa lang ako. I've been watching you guys. Isa po kayo sa mga inspirasyon ko. Sa lahat, maraming salamat, Tito Ogs. Nakikita niyo po, napakaklingi talaga namin. Pero, hindi po talaga ako nagkamali sa mga iniidolo. You know, you've inspired a lot of us, not just here in the music industry, but also in my personal life. Maraming salamat po.
Aww.
Thank you so much for being an inspiration.
You know, I think that at this point, Darren, you're standing on this stage, and you are the inspiration for many of these.
Yes.
Many of these people.
Tingnan mo naman. Grabe ang tangkad yung tatlo, no? Nakita ko rin eh. Yan mo, Darren, nalulula ako. Nalulula ako doon sa taas. No, pero nalulula ako sa dami ng nagmamahal sa'yo. Fanatics. Grabe. We are so proud.
Darren, I just have to say thank you for not calling me Tito. Maraming salamat dahil Kuya lang.
Tito Eric, Tito Gary, Kuya Ogie.
Next time po.
Huwag natin binabago ang script, Kuya. Hindi. Alam mo, everybody with me na you are the best male performer of your generation.
Now,
You are.
salamat.
Tama, di ba? Kaya, alam mo, ang advice ko lang sa'yo is to just continue to hone your craft, continue to love the people who love you. Ang dami-dami nila, grabe. And continue to love what you do. And you will go places even more.
Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Ako gusto ko paglaki ko. Nakakatawa yon. Gusto ko maging katulad mo, Darren. You're such a good person. You're so humble. You're so hardworking. Napakasipag po nito. Napaka-generous. Keep being the way you are. We love you, Darren. We love
Thank you po. Salamat, Tito Ogs.
You know, I think one of the most important things tonight is that kaya nandito silang lahat dahil maliban sa pagiging extremely good-looking,
Wow!
I think more than that is
Nagmana
that
po sa inyong tatlo.
Ha?
Nagmana po ako sa inyong
O,
tatlo.
buti alam mo. Ganun talaga.
Banda rito eh, banda rito.
Banda doon. Banda dito naman tayo.
Oo nga, dito naman tayo.
natin sa kanilang lahat eh. No, what I want to say is that I think one big reason why people love you and people of all ages are here tonight. But it's because of this, Darren. It's your sincerity, it's your authenticity sa ginagawa mo on stage. And that's not easy to come by nowadays. You are not here to impress people, you are here to just express what's in your heart. At parang nadadama nilang lahat yan. I've been around for 40 years, and you're around for 10 years. I'm hoping I can still be around on your 40th year.
Wow! Oo naman po, Tito Gary.
Because you're still going to be strong, if not even stronger than you are today.
Thank you po.
So
Maraming
proud of you talaga.
Thank you po. Really means so much. I would have never imagined again na, syempre, I'd be on the stage with all three of you. It means so much. Maraming salamat po ulit from the bottom of my heart for saying yes to being a part of my 10 years, for celebrating it with me here tonight. Thank you po. Okay.
You're very good.
Congratulations.
Salamat po. Ayan, Araneta! Once again, give it up for Mr. Eric Santos!
Thank you!
Mr. Ogie Alcacid! And Mr. Gary Valenciano! Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys so much.
Congrats, Darren.
Thank you. Hindi ko na
Concert ni Darren to, Kuya.
Tara na. Aside from singing, I also love to dance. So, here are some of the songs that made me move and groove from then till now. Araneta, let's dance! 10 years, a lot can happen in those years. Looking back, nothing remained the same. Pero hindi lang 10 taon ang pinag-uusapan natin. Because as far as I can remember, bata pa lang ako, nagsimula na akong mangarap to become a performer. This young boy, born and raised in Canada, merong malaking pangarap to conquer the stage. I know in my heart, babalik ako sa Pilipinas to fulfill my dreams. And so, I did.
You got me losing my mind.
Hindi naging madali. Walang shortcut.
Grabe.
There were times I felt like gusto kong sumuko.
Ayoko na. I quit.
Pero, hindi pwede. 10 years na pala. Salamat. Kasi nandyan kayo. Magkakasama pa rin tayo.
Well, objectively speaking, some of the younger members can outsing you, but you're a versatile performer.
Stephen Tanueco.
Will you marry me?
This is Darren. And welcome to D10. Three years after joining The Voice Kids, there's no looking back. From Canada to the Philippines, nakapag-travel pa ako sa mga places that I never imagined I could go to. My albums were also recognized. Double platinum, platinum, and gold. I got awards and recognitions. Sold out concerts here and abroad. What more could I ask for? I discovered more about myself as an artist. I did more collaborations with both local and international artists. As an artist, self-discovery is very important. It's a powerful tool for both growth and development. When I discovered I could do more, mas naniwala pa ako sa sarili ko na kaya ko. I know what I want in my life. And so, I explored more about myself and as a performer. So far, no regrets. In this industry, reinvention matters. It's a process we have to go through. Patibayan ng mindset, matched with a pleasant character and behavior. 5 years after since you first saw me singing on national TV, nakapag-perform naman ako sa international stage by a singer 2019 in China. You've also watched me acting on the big screen and even sa mga TV series. If that's not reinvention, I don't know what is. The goal is to stick to your core while offering different flavors in every performance. After all, who and what I was 10 years ago, ibang-iba na sa Darren ngayon.